What's up, you guys? I just wanted to make a quick video unboxing this new belt I just got. I got the Core Esentials belt. I've seen lots of reviews on it lately of people using it and loving it, and it seems to be pretty durable. So I wanted to go ahead and pick one up. I was in the need for a new belt. So open it up here, get that out of the way. Core Esentials, kind of a cool box. Got this little guy showing you how to size it. Looks like it says to give it an extra 4 inches when you cut it. Yada yada. This is the newer version. So let's see. It's the newer version of the belt. And this is the X1 buckle. It's the buckle I chose to go with. Real nice, looks good. But it's got where you lock it in there, but then it's also got the set screws in it to furthermore help it keep it in place. So here's the belt itself. I'm a size 34 waist. So we'll go ahead, I'm gonna cut it at 39. Let's see, it gives you markings on the back here of where to roughly cut it. So I'm gonna give it 39 just to be on the safe side. Bam, just cut through it like that. Let's see a little bit. Whatever it is they got in there for the core. I'm sure it's essential, whatever it is. Also in the box, little Allen key, and I think that's to run your extra belt through if you need it. So should be as simple as just sliding that bad boy in, clamping it down, tightening down those screws, and you're good to go. So I just wanted to show that real quick. I'm gonna wear it. I'll probably wear this belt every day, I'm sure. I'm not big on changing out belts. That's why I went with black. And I'll give you guys a full review here in a few months on it and let you know what I think of it. And we'll see how it does. Thanks for watching, you guys. God bless.